Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insulate an old camper and how to make templates for the little areas. They've got wood that divides the walls to make them more stable, and it's really kind of hard to measure each little spot, and I have a quick fix for that. I bought this camper several years ago. I ended up buying an RV because I never did get it finished, so it's storage now. And my husband went and looked at it and thought it was in good shape and it had leaks. I've taken all the windows out. I've sealed those. I've trying to think, it's Durabond, I think it is. It's a type of tape. I've done all the seams on the top, but I don't do wiring, and the brake lights never got wired, and so it's at a stall. But I think that this idea might help those of you that are refurbishing an old camper. I am going to try, and I know I'm not going to make my promise to myself, to do a video once a day for the next week. YouTube has changed their algorithms to wanting, there goes the door, changed it to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views, and I believe they want it done by the end of next month, which I don't think I'm going to make it. But I've enjoyed doing these videos, and like I said, I'm going to try to do one a day for the next 7 days. I know one of those days I'm working, I won't be able to, and another day I'm taking my son to the and his wife to the airport. They're going back to Germany. He's in the Air Force. But enjoy these videos, and I'm hoping it's not too dark in here. As you can see, the walls of the inside of a camper, what I can show you where I've not got storage, there's wood that divides it up to make the wall stable, and I've already insulated this, and I'm going to show you an easy way so you don't have to measure each little spot in order to cut out your foam. This is rigid pink foam. I would not use the white foam. We'll try to put up a small video that I had about the difference between the white and the pink. The white is put together with compressed pellets, and when you cut it or break it, it electronically charges it and causes the pieces to have static in them, and it sticks to everything. What you need is aluminum foil and a knife, a serrated knife, to cut the foam. And you just take your foil up against there, rub your finger around the space you want to do, and it leaves a nice impression. Now I'm going to go back outside so it's easier for you to see. I take the impression that is where I run my finger around, and it's just real easy to put it at the edge of your foam, and then take and cut with your knife right through your foil. Sometimes the foil rips, and if you just take and sink your knife into it so you can see where your lines are. Then you can remove the foil, cut your Now I'll show you it back inside. Okay, I've got this little space here, and the piece you cut, and it should just fit right in there. Another thing you can do is around this edge, before you put the foam in, is you could run a bead of the minimally expanding foam, press this in, and it should seal up nice, or you can put a vapor barrier and staple plastic up. I wanted to show you on these two foams. See the white foam, how it has the little beads? Those are compressed foam, and when you cut into it, they break off in little pieces, and they have static electricity. They stick to everything, where you can see the pink foam is more dense, and it's constructed differently, and it's much easier to work with.